Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up recurring payments with Zelle in the Bank of America app. First, make sure you actually open up the Bank of America app website and log in. Okay, now go ahead and tap on Transfer or Zelle from the main menu. Click on this, Transfer Zelle. Okay, then what I need you to do is I need you to tap Send under the Zelle menu. Okay, tap on Send. And then you can either choose an existing recipient or add a new contact by just entering their email or phone number. And you just select the Bank of America account you want to send money from. Now, one thing I want you to note, the recipient must actually be enrolled in Zelle to receive the money instantly. Okay? And you just use the email address that is associated with that Zelle account that you're enrolled in. Okay? Now, all you need to do is enter the amount you want to go ahead and send. And then just tap on frequency and select recurring instead of a one at a time, okay? Choose how often you want to send money. It could be weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. Then just, set a start date and if needed, an end date for the recurring payments. Just review all the details and confirm your scheduled payment plan. All right? And after scheduling, you'll basically see a confirmation screen with payment details. You just go ahead and tap to, edit or cancel a recurring payment. Just go to transfers, go click on schedule transfer. Just find your recurring Zelle payment and then select edit or cancel if needed. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.